septic disaster. Ridex, the #1 brand used by septic professionals in their own tanks.
Ditch the diapers and put your kid in Pull-Ups training pants. A pant designed for potty training. And we've got your back with a customized potty training plan. So slide on Pull-Ups and start a whole new way to train together.
I'm a big kid now.
It's time to play with Nick Jr. Every time kids explore with Dora, they expand their observation and problem-solving skills and learn about Spanish language and culture, all while mapping.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for central Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 10 miles west of Lincoln, or 6 miles northeast of Bellwood, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hickory, Newton, Taylorsville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Stony Point, Claremont, Love Valley, Lookout Shoals Lake, and Mountain View. A tornado is likely developing. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest level of a house or office building. Place as many floors and walls between you and the outside as possible. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.